Hello and welcome. Today we have a very unique video as we have the original, the OG Leatherman Wave, first generation. I didn't buy this. I found it in an old hand-me-down toolbox. It was at the bottom of the toolbox, completely seized up, covered in rust. It was completely orange. And today I want to talk about bringing it back to life and if this is still worth carrying today. So, as I said, I found this in an old toolbox that was given to me. It was at the bottom of the toolbox. It was completely orange. I couldn't tell what it was, what name brand it was. I could tell it was a multi-tool, but didn't know what or of what quality or anything like that. I really had no idea what it was. So I left it there, left it in the toolbox, left it under the tool bench. And fast forward several months later, I was researching multi-tools for EDC carry, and I remembered it. So I went down, I grabbed it, completely seized up. I couldn't even open it at all. So I soaked it in WD-40 for about 24 hours, and then I wiped it up. Then I repeated that process, and I did it again. Then I used some rifle lubricant and cleaner on it, and kind of brought it back to life. You can still see some rust on it, just that I could not get off at all, but that's what it looked like everywhere, completely covered. But I put it on there, I worked all the pivots, I worked everything in and out, and like I said, pretty soon it completely came back to life. So how is it held up? Well, after about a year and a half of carry now, you can see it's held up pretty good, and with little effort, I'm opening and closing it. I think it's a testament to its build quality and the fact that you can even bring it back to life. Let's go ahead and open up some of these tools. So if you have a Leatherman now, or you're comparing it to something else, you can kind of see how it compares. There's the file, locking mechanism. On the other side, we have our blade. There's still a little rust on the blade. You can see I've used it. There's some dents and little spots on the blade itself. On this side, a blade there, and another blade. All right, let's open it up and look at the tools on the inside. Here we have our Phillips, our can opener, and our flathead. On this side, we have pry bars, flatheads, and then our scissors. A lot of people like to see how these scissors function and operate, so let's go ahead and keep from cutting myself here. So, would I buy one of these again today? I don't know that I would upgrade this one. I think that this one works perfectly fine. So would I buy a new one today? I don't know that I would buy a new one. If I was to give this one to my kid and upgrade, I might do that. But I'm telling you, I think it's a testament to Leatherman of their build quality and the fact that this can sit at the bottom of the toolbox and completely get covered in rust to the point you can't even open it. And then some WD-40 and some rifle cleaner, and boom, it's back to being utilized every single day in an everyday carry. So I think it's a testament to a great product. I think that the OG Leatherman Wave is still very relevant today and is still something that could 100% be carried. And I would be surprised to find out if there isn't still a ton of people that are carrying the original first generation Leatherman Wave. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you if you're looking at the original first gen Leatherman Wave.